Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2021 Lexus ES 350. To begin this project, you will need a 13mm socket with a long extension to take off the bolt, which is holding down the battery bracket in front of the battery itself. Turn it clockwise until you feel it loosen up. Okay, you can reach down with your hand and grab that bolt that's holding down this bracket. Next, you will need a 10mm socket or a wrench to take off the battery terminals. This is your first time visiting Battery Guyz Nation here. We do a lot more than just doing car installs. We do installs for golf carts, we do marines, we do bulldozers, we do solar projects. Not only that too, we show you the cool things, exactly how do we recondition the world's best reconditioned battery as seen on TV. You want to proceed to your positive terminal and take off that terminal from the post itself. And then once you do that, do the same for the negative side as well. It's also known as the ground. Yeah, let's be very careful when you're dealing with these posts because you don't want to break anything. They make these cars, everything is so tight. We're installing back in this vehicle is the world's best reconditioned battery as seen on TV. So once you get that battery back down into that box itself, make sure you want to put the battery protector around it as well. So what we're doing first, we're going to go ahead and install that bracket back down first, which is a tight squeeze. You got to line that hole perfect too. If you don't, you won't be able to screw that bolt right back down into that battery bracket. That's the only thing about these newer cars. You have no room to actually get things out to work on the car. They do it on purpose so they can have, like, you know, you can pay their mechanic around like $98 an hour. Plus they charge you around about $250 for the battery. By the time you leave out of there from the dealer, you're paying between $350 to $400 just to install the battery. Today we got Matt. Matt is our master installer here at Battery Guyz with a Z. So he's very professional. He knows exactly to take his time and make sure the customer is satisfied with the service that we're providing today. If we're adding great value today by watching this video, I hope we are, and you would just hit the thumbs up on this video and share the video. It would definitely help put this video into the algorithm so a lot of other people can see exactly how difficult to have assistance to install this battery to do it themselves, then taking it to the dealer and paying anywhere between $350 to $400. So once you get that bracket back flushed down into that box, just take your long extension and tighten up that bolt itself. You want to go ahead and connect your negative terminal back onto the negative post itself to use your 10mm socket or wrench to tighten up that bolt. In next step, you want to go and tighten up your positive terminal. Use your socket and tighten up the other as well the same way. Okay, we made it through this install here. Again, if you haven't liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. But this is exactly how you install a battery in a 2021 Lexus ES 350.